The Kia Proceed is a powerful car for those who like a car strong without having to compromise on anything. Get ready to go anywhere you like. From the signature tiger nose grille with floating wing-themed garnishes in dark chrome and red accents and a GT logo inside the mesh, to the expressive bumper, to the innovative full LED headlamps complete with LED fog lamps and aero-like LED daytime running lights. Every aspect of the Proceed's front styling is newly designed to make a bold statement about its sporty character. The Proceed's shooting brake body gives you the versatility and space of a combi with the head-turning elegance of a coupe. With a fast-dropping roofline and streamlined contouring that underline its distinct sportiness. Add to this show-stopping details like the newly designed 18-inch alloy wheels with red wheel caps and red brake calipers, and the all-round visual impact is undeniable. The Proceed's uniquely sculpted body and sporty GT character certainly make an impression, especially from the rear. The distinctive LED taillights and Proceed lettering centered on the tailgate are now complemented by a bumper featuring a new sporty diffuser in a dramatic glossy black finish with red accents and reflectors. All dynamically underlined by rounded satin chrome dual exhaust pipe tips. Interior. Simple, smart, and instantly visible, the 10.25-inch color high-definition LCD touchscreen presents you with the shortest navigation routes and other vital insights. Meanwhile, the 12.3-inch full digital TFT instrument cluster provides essential vehicle and trip info, with different themes you can change with your selected drive mode. Together, they make every drive safer, more enjoyable, and efficient. Connect your mood to your favorite songs, playlists, podcasts, and more. With 8 speakers and advanced Clarify TM music restoration technology 3 to improve the quality of MP3s and deliver high-definition sound, you'll get an outstanding audio experience on the move. Stay connected to the outside world, and you'll proceed. If your smartphone is ever low on battery, place it on the cable-free charging pad at the front of the center console as you drive. Got a charging cable? There are USB charging ports integrated throughout the cabin, including the rear center console, for everyone to stay charged and connected.